What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we're going to go over a day trading recap traded LEXX, MEDS, and there's a lot of action in small caps today. Check it out. All right, guys. Well, today's trades were pretty nice. They were super clean setups, but these stocks moved. There we go. Extremely fast today. Extremely fast. Very difficult to like size into them in a way because I was trying to get starters in some of these, and as soon as I got in my starters, looking at add on some sort of confirmation, they just banged out huge moves, and kind of missed out on bigger take profits in that sense, but still managed to trade the pattern extremely well. And we're gonna go over those patterns, those charts here today. So do me a quick favor, smash the like button for me, and let's go ahead and jump into the charts.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this recap here. Now, I am recording this obviously for YouTube as well. It's a recap time, but then we'll go into our private lesson time afterwards. Those of you watching on YouTube, we upload lessons every single day into the video lesson library along with recaps. You have over 200 videos on there. It's crazy. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this recap here, guys. So this morning, let me grab the watch list real quick. This morning we had SPY, CEMI, LEXX, MEDS, NURO, AMC on watch. We had AMC on watch for $40 support, $45 target. We also had the SPY on watch for $432.60 support, $435 targets. LEX, we had targets of over 10. And MEDS, we said watching $7 for support. We were also watching the $8 break and hold for support. So $8 was a resistance zone we were watching on MEDS. Now, this morning I'm 3 for 3. We did great in the chat here. Let me show you real quick the action that we had in chat. Today's poll, the 21st, and that was outstanding, guys. This is just simply outstanding. How did you do today? 100% green. No one was red. No one was break even. No one didn't trade. Like, everybody that voted was literally green in chat today, which is great. That's awesome. That's exactly what we always want to see, right? We want to see people doing well in chat always. So what were the trades? Well, today my trades were on LEXX and MEDS. Those are my trades today. I traded both those tickers, went 3 for 3 on the day. Now, let me see which one says CEMI was also on the watch list, and this one we've got to continue keeping on watch throughout lunch hours to see if it gives an afternoon setup. Now, let me grab the watch list real quick again. SPY. The SPY was the first one I tried to take a trade on this morning, and that would have been such a nice trade. The first trade I tried to take on this morning was right here on the SPY. Right here on this pullback into this 232.60 area. Guys, I'm sorry, 432.60 area. Literally right off the watch list. 432.60 area watching for support. We had 432.60 right here. Look at that. 432.62, 432.61. Right there. VWAP 23.6 Fibonacci level and this previous little resistance point from this morning. All right, which coincided with that daily level we were talking about. And right off that level, bang. I was unfortunately watching one of the other tickers here. We were right here bouncing, and I was getting ready on order and getting ready on alert to put out for some calls on the SPY, and the thing just went. And it went without me, and it was a heartbreak. It really was. What a move, But I mean, it was nice to at least take comfort in knowing that the level was there and the trade was beautiful and I identified it. Called it on chat. Don't know if anybody was able to take advantage of it beforehand. It was on the watch list. It worked out beautifully. That was a beautiful setup, and I unfortunately missed it. CEMI was also on watch. This one had what? A double bottom setup, kind of like Neuro yesterday. Look at this. Bang. Bang. And then boom, we had that move. Now I didn't trade CEMI because I was actually looking over at LEXX, which was also setting up a double bottom this morning. I tried again as well to get long in here, and I unfortunately missed out on it. I was typing up my alert in chat, and this thing went without me. However, this very first pullback in here, I was able to grab it and take profits as we squeezed, right? As we squeezed, I took profits, and then I stopped out the last piece. Let me grab my alerts.
Still watching? Well, if you're still watching, it's because you like learning. So if you like learning, come on over to the daytraderchatroom.com. 5-day trial, link in the description and comment section. You'll get access to dashboard courses, live trading, live commentary, right? Live daily lessons and recaps as well. And we're there, obviously, live answering your questions. So come on over to daytraderchatroom.com. A link in the description and comment section to the 5-day trial.
Long LEXX starter. 1016, stop 950 area, taking some profits 1060, taking more profits off 1073, and then I was flat 1110, the last piece, as we moved higher. Then I was waiting to see if we could pull in and hold a decent level of support here. No dice, it pierced right through it, and then it broke right back above. When it broke right back above, I was talking to the guys in chat here, letting you know that this level here in front of 10 bucks was a potential entry zone with a stop just underneath it. Shortly after, that thing just went, and it went fast. I missed out on that because I really was a little skittish about it. I just pointed out the level, and that was it. I was actually looking at MEDS. Now, I had already taken a trade on MEDS. Show you the alert here real quick. So flat 1110 on LEXX. This was literally a 2-minute trade. Then at 10 a.m., I got long MEDS, a starter at 696 with a stop at 675. Okay, and I was taking some profits off as we went. Right, 715, taking more profits 725, more off 715 again, then more off 744. I really broke this off into a lot of small pieces, then more off at 730, and then I got stopped out my last piece at 692. That was a small little loss on that last piece uh, of the stock, right? And where was this? Well, similar to that of the LEXX trade, I took advantage of that move right there. And I got stopped out once we violated the support zone right in there. Was it that? No, I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me move this back. Here. And then I got stopped out right in there. Then we re-entered this trade again. Let me get my alerts again. We re-entered this trade again at right in here. Long MEDS 709, stop 675. And that was, let me move this. That was on this candle right in here. Entry at 709, and then we started to form a cup and handle pattern right in here. We started to form a cup handle pattern, and I did take some profits off up here in front of the high of day, of course. And then once we broke through the highs, I started taking more profits off as we squeezed, right? And I was flat up here. I was flat, obviously, before the high of day, and I'll show you the alerts again here. Long MEDS 709, stop 675 area, taking some profits 724, taking more profits 740. I took a little bit more again at 740 when we were struggling up there. Then we broke through some more off 769, and then flat 789. Most of these orders were out on the ask. And why did I get flat in front of that level? Well, if you look here on the daily chart, you have previous resistance at 806. So that $8 level was going to be a previous resistance zone that I wanted to be flat in front of in case we hit it and came back down rather hard. We did tap 805 high a day and then turned right back around. So that was it. Those are my trades on the day. And it was a great day in the room. You know, guys, we did great. Can't really ask for more. We have stocks to watch here going into the lunchtime session. CEMI we want to keep on watch. MEDS we want to keep on watch. LEXX we definitely want to keep on watch as well. So those are definitely something that we will keep on watch. Neuro we can also keep on watch, see if it ever decides to trade. I mean, this thing is traded just like a handful of minutes at this point in time on the day because everything is a halt. Halt up, halt down. It's insanity there. There we go. We just opened up and look at that. It's just really crazy on Neuro.
Well, guys, that is it for me today. Let me know what you traded. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. And remember, you can join us for a 5-day trial at the daytraderchatroom.com. Link in the description section of the video and in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.